Hi, I'm Dan from Sussex. I'm in my greenhouse and I'm just going to put up a few seeds. I'll start by sieving some seed compost into this modular plug tray. You can get similar from garden centres or online. I'll use a good quality enriched seed compost, a dibber, some plant labels with the plant name on one side and the date on the other. Today I'll be sowing some Salvia blaze of fire and a French marigold called Queen Sophia. Before sieving, I've worked plenty of water into this seed compost. That's so I don't have to water over the top with a watering can, disturbing the fine seed that I've sown later. All I do now is just brush it off, give it a bit of a lift and a tap. That just helps compact everything down, and then I just fill any holes. It's ready to sow. With my dibber, I'm just lightly pressing down in each module, and this is what the French marigold seed looks like. I'm placing one seed in each module, just exactly where I made the depression with my dibber, and this is what it will look like. Hopefully, this is Tagetes Queen Sophia. It's a dwarf French marigold. It's this lovely red orange centres with yellow tips. Gets to about 25 centimetres high at the most, and I'll be planting this round my carrots to help deter the carrot root fly. Here's a good tip: when you get to the end of your packet of seeds, just carefully tear it open. You'll normally find extra seed in the corners. I found about 4 extra seeds in this packet. And that's the marigolds finished sowing. I'm now going to mark the beginning of a new row in just a moment, and that's where I'm going to put the salvia seeds. Before sowing my salvias, I'm just sieving some seed compost on top of the marigold seed just to stop them from being blown about. I gently brush and firm down the compost on top of each module. As this is old salvia seed, I'm just placing a few in each hole and making a slightly bigger depression to put them in. And here's what the salvia looks like. Salvia splendens blaze of fire is perhaps one of my favourites. It's very neat, very bright, and a big favourite with bees. After sieving and firming down compost on the salvia seed, I mark the start point and the end point of the marigolds I've sown and the start point of the salvia. I make sure the compost is wet on top using the atomizer spray. I place in a large grow bag tray on the shelf of my greenhouse and fill with water. And now to finish my coffee.
Cheers.